Hi everyone, welcome back. The 100 days of the DevOps with AI tools learning path journey. So I have completed day 40th agenda. That is about RDS introduction. Yes, one of the important service as a DevOps engineer, which we should know it, and all the important points that was covered. Yes, so that's main the points that is about why do we need to go for this RDS instances? So what is the read replicas? What about the high availability concepts in RDS? And what about like backup mechanisms and restore points? Yeah, these are all the points that have been covered in that video. Please go ahead and review it. And now this is the time to move into this next agenda. That is the demo section. Yeah, knowing that theoretically is one thing, yes, first that is required, but that is not enough. But we need to do some practical sessions on it. Yeah, that demonstration, whatever it was discussed in this first the video. So in this 2 days agendas video, you are going to get it the detailed the demonstration of RDS engine. So I hope so you are good with that, continuing with this learning path. And if you feel this is helpful to you, so please like, comment, and share it. So that would be helpful as anyone who is interested in your the community, they will also be knowing about it. But I mean, this is not exactly we are giving that, frankly, to say that we are not giving the complete details, but important points you will be having that as a DevOps engineer. So what are the main concepts that is required from the Linux to the shell to that AWS? Now we are in that almost AWS end of the sessions. We are coming to that in the next 4 or 5, not 4 or 5. We have those, yes, like around 7 or 8 sessions still. And once it is completed, then we are going to start about the Terraform and DevOps tools. Definitely the importance of that 100 days. Why do we need to, why do we need to spend that 100 days of that, the journey to become the master on this DevOps? You will be knowing that whenever we complete that day 100. Yeah, so if any one of your friends also would like to know about all these concepts, yes, please like and comment. And if you have the interest on this, the course, then in the subscription, so we have given the link. So 25,000 rupees course where you will get it around 10,000. With the complete, whatever I'm talking that, all the days it has been clearly given that with the lab guides. And we have the support team to give the like as per that morning 8 to that evening 7 o'clock on the weekdays and weekend Saturday. Yeah, we have the team almost like they are continuing this, the learning all these 100 days of the demo. So good if you have interest. So just please like, comment, and share. Even the comment also, just add that some comments and what you got it, or the important points you got it. Just let me know this in the comment window. Good. So let's move into this actual concept that is day 41 AWS RDS demo. Let me share the screen. Yeah, so this is the thumbnail which we are having for it. And as we know that, yes, we are following the same structure of it overall. Yeah, day 41 agenda, that is AWS RDS demo. But what you are going to get it in this demo. So let me talk it, thus the PPT now. Yeah, so in this demo, in this agendas, yeah, like almost 1 hour 45 minutes around that, the video is there. So where you are going to learn that complete demonstration of RDS. That is about understanding the different templates of RDS. Yeah, so before going to create RDS engine, we should know that important templates, that is about production template or development template, or you are learning that. Yes, the free tier templates. Yes, knowing those templates are the very important, and as well as knowing about the engines and their community editions, enterprise edition or community edition, which one is required. Yeah, all those points before going to creating that the RDS engine, there are the points which you should know it. And while creation time, there's RDS engine, we need to specify that. Yeah, some inputs about the networks, security groups. Yeah, recommended is a private network, obviously. And the security groups restricting that, which ports are you going to use that? Those points. So are you getting my point? Yeah, all these points are the required. Yeah, don't miss that. It, defining about it. Yeah, just a minute, I have a little bit issue. Also, you are able to hear, right? Okay, good. So let me continue that. Yeah, understanding the window timings to define that auto backups, minor upgrades, and the networks and the storage is defining, and which type of instance that is required for that RDS, and what are the regions that you are going to use it for that primary and the secondary point of view. Yeah, these are all like important inputs which we should know that while creating. But once it has been created, then endpoint details are the very important. Yeah, how do we connect to the database? Connecting to the database and about that network limitations on it. Yes, so how do we use that like a network to access it, and understanding that importance of the parameter groups. Yes, this is very, very important. So we don't have that SSH to the database, but how do you do the configurations? If you like to do some custom configuration, how do you do it? That is parameter groups, knowing that, and yes, restore points and the backups mechanisms, understanding about the manual backup, and as well as automated backups and retention periods for it. Yeah, these are all the points that's required to know it. And once that's everything is ready as a daily operations point of view, so transaction logs, how do we download it or how do we analyze it? And as well as the performance metrics, especially Aurora database, if you're using that, how do we access the performance metrics? Yeah, all these points are very, very important. So if you are working with that RDS, yes, all these points, it has been given in this today's agenda. So you are going to get it all these points, and let me walk through the workflow. Yes, this is about our workflow. We are in that cloud journey of 41. So day 41, and important points, yes, just which we were understanding. They're all important points, and you can access the forum link here. And if you click on the forum link, which will be redirected to that AWS the forum, where you can access the video details and as well as the lab guide. Yeah, so this is a demo, the complete which has been explained here, and as well as database instance also. That is a demo, which is the lab guide has been given that. And this video is having that approximately around 1 hour, 40 minutes or 45 minutes. Yes, with a detailed the explanation which has been given that, which you can browse it and you can refer this video. This is, yes, 1 hour, 42 minutes of it. But with the detailed explanation, you'll be having that, and that's really helpful. Yeah, so that is about the conclusion on this section. So I hope you enjoyed this section. So if you have those any the points which you would like to mention it, and what you got it, or what are the points you got it, just write that in the comment section.
Yeah. So that's all from this session, and we'll see this in the next session. If you are responding to the more comments and likes, then I try to complete as early as possible. All this. But if you're just using, and yes, like, I mean, whether you are watching or not, I'm not sure. So that's why I'm taking some time to record it and complete that. But if you are actively participating thus in the group, then definitely I also will get that more active, and I'll try to complete as early as possible all the 100 days of the agenda. Let's see this, how many of you are going to use the comment section, like section, to get it some more active in the group, in the community. Okay, good. Thank you all for your support and subscribing to the channel so far, who are all done. And the really, yes, once again, thank you everyone. Good, great. We'll meet that in the next section.